Hey there, this is David from Website Planning. In this video, we are going to be diving into how to create the perfect prompt for vibe coding a website. If you want the complete step-by-step guide that covers everything for vibe coding a website, check out the full resource in the link down below. Let's get started. This prompt style works great in Replit, that's what I'm using, but if you're using any vibe coding tool out there, this is a great start for the structure of your prompt. On my screen, you see an in-depth prompt that we're going to cover how I built this out. If you want the outline for this prompt, you can copy and paste it from our website. There are core things you want to consider with building your prompt. So the first thing we want to have in the prompt is the purpose. Here you can see a clear statement of what is being built and who it's for. Our website is going to be called Thrive Performance Coaching, and the target audience is going to be busy adults wanting to get in shape and maintain healthy habits with a busy lifestyle. Now, that's great. From there, we want to go into a brand identity and give the agent very clear instructions on what we want. And so we filled in these blanks here by adding in the name, the colors we want, the style we want, and the fonts we want. From there, the next section is very important. We want to make sure we tell the agent what pages we want and what sections we want. So you can see here how we have it laid out. Here is a 4-page website, home, about, service, and contact, and the outline for all the pages and the details on those pages are here as well. From there, we want to embed a form that we already built from a tool called Tally. And so this may look complicated, but it's actually very simple. This code is just provided from Tally once you build the form. So we just let the AI agent know that here is the embed for the form, and this is what we want you to put on the site. Next, we want to tell the agent what not to do as well. So in this case, we don't have any e-commerce functionality. We don't want to have user logins. We don't need a database for the website and the rest of the list, as you can see here. We want to make sure the agent knows exactly what to focus on. From there, we have some technical requirements, and this list is very easy just to copy and paste and tweak to your liking. We want to make sure the website is mobile responsive, and we also want to make sure it's SEO friendly. A few of the things highlighted here in the technical requirements. And in most cases, if you are building a website, these two sections here, the do not build and the technical requirements, you could basically just copy and paste and use in your prompt. Finally, we want to add in some unique features that will really make our site professional. Here are some key features that we want. The first one is going to be a sticky navigation. So when you scroll on the page, you always have access to the navigation. From there, we want to make sure the headers are really beautiful and energetic. From there, we want to make sure there are service cards, we want to make sure there are testimonials, and the footer, we want to make sure there's contact info there and our social links. The final part of the prompt is to give the AI agent a focus. So here we ask the AI agent focus on building trust and motivation while maintaining a clean, results-focused design that helps busy adults feel inspired and confident about starting their fitness journey. This really helps the AI agent understand the underlying tone and style that we want for the website. As you can see here, this is a pretty in-depth prompt, and what I love about it is that it's very easy to actually fill out with your unique business, brand, fonts, and everything that you need. To make this your own, you'll just need to adjust a few key things. First, you'll want to add in your industry, then your business name, and then your target audience. From there, you'll fill in the brand identity. If you don't have brand colors or fonts, you could let it know what style you want. So in this case, you could let it know, hey, I really want a vibrant orange or a vibrant blue. For the fonts, you could say, hey, I really want something more bold and modern or more elegant and luxurious. Similarly, with pages, you'll just go in and make sure all your core pages are there. You could always add sections later. So once you define your core pages, you'll really give the AI a clear prompt to get started and what to build. And there you have it. This is the initial prompt that I would put into Replit to get started with my build. Now, this video is just scratching the surface. Our complete vibe coding guide walks you through everything from your very first prompt all the way to deploying a fully professional site. We cover all the essentials like prompting strategies, troubleshooting tips, advanced customizations, and domain setup. You can access the full guide by using that first link down in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.